You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
So I'm very happy to have you.
Babe, there's something I really want to tell you.
Go ahead and fire me.
Finish him.
I don't want this relationship anymore. I'm tired.
I know you are joking. About that or that?
Babe, stop it. I'm really serious about this.
Final answer.
Yes.
Like you mean it?
Yes, absolutely.
Scope attention. No problem.
Finish her.
You know when we were together?
Yes.
I was buying you things. I was doing things for you.
Yes, absolutely.
Good. So you go inside now. All those, your wardrobe, all those things I bought for you. You bring them for me.
Babe, like seriously?
Final answer.
So you mean clothes are your problem?
Final. Oh God. This week.
Yes. Babe, like seriously?
I bought it for you.
Thank you, you can leave.
Remember I bought you one pot also.
Yes.
Bring them for me.
Like seriously, pot is a problem,
Everything
right?
is my problem.
Okay, no one.
Run your mouth like you didn't want to say. Cho. Nonsense. Bring them.
Since pot is a problem.
Give me.
Thank you, leave my house.
You cannot even wash it.
Thank you very much. Leave my house, thank you.
You are not doing everything as if we were quarreling before.
Go!
Nonsense. Then I will go.
Hey, come here! Babe, where are you going to?
I'm going to my house now.
Babe, please, this shirt, you know I bought it for you. Kindly pull this shirt for me, it belongs to me.
All things has passed away. Everything has become new.
See, pull this shirt for pass away. Now, pull this shirt now. I don't want to shout, please. Pull this, I don't want neighbors to hear my voice.
Let me take it easy.
I'll be your.
The nylon shirt you won't bought for me,
I
sir.
don't see anything.
We'll talk later.
Oh yeah, this one. Pull it.
But I know where some. Hold on, I'm not wearing anything inside.
This is my business.
We can sort this out some other
We are
time.
not sorting anything out, babe. Pull it.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, the last one.
This very one.
Yes.
Scoop attention.
Scope, pull it.